Hey there guys, it's Game Dev Dad again, and I just wanted to do a quick video because I'm going to actually upgrade the firmware on my Apple TV developer kit. So I thought I would show you that process so that everything can be clear. So basically you'll notice at the Apple tvOS Developer Center here that they've released a new version of the tvOS Beta 3 here. So you just download tvOS Beta 3 for the new Apple TV, and the file will be called, I believe, the 79F one that I downloaded for 1002. So October 2nd is when they released it. So it's this 13T5379F restore file. And you download that IPSW file by clicking on this link here. And then just look at this tvOS beta software installation guide, and it will give you the instructions. So if you, I think I pointed this out in another video, but right here, if iTunes does not recognize Apple TV, place it in recovery mode. So you know, for whatever reason, my Apple TV is not noticeable inside iTunes. So what I did was just held down the so I ensured my Mac was my Apple TV is connected to the Mac using that USB-C cable, and then hold down the play and the pause, or the menu and the play pause button. So these two buttons, hold that down for 6 seconds. Then the light on your Apple TV will start to flash. As you're holding it, it'll start to flash really, really fast. And then when you let go of it, it will start flashing slowly, just like this. And then, sorry if that was loud. Then when you open up iTunes now, so I'll go into Launchpad and open up iTunes. And it'll show that an Apple TV device has been connected to iTunes. Now for some of you this might already appear, so you can skip those steps putting it into recovery mode, but for me, whenever I flash new firmware, or when I flash the first firmware on here, I had the problem. So again, as I said before, you have to go back to step 3, where you hold down the Option key on the keyboard when you click restore. Otherwise it'll just try to restore from the internet, where there isn't an official version of the upgrade available. So I'm holding down the Option key right now, clicking restore, and this should give me the ability to look for my restore file. Okay, and then I'm going to go into my Apple TV, make sure that I load the the one that was created 10.2, this 79F one, version 3. There's the original, which was 47L or whatever. And, so there's the file I'm going to pick is this 79F file as my restore file. Open it up, and then it's going to restore, and then it just goes through the restoration process. I will pause until it's done. Okay, so at this point, when it's actually restoring the Apple TV software, gone through the verification and stuff, that's when you'll actually see the Apple logo on the TV, and then the kind of progress bar on the TV. So this is similar to when it reboots your iPhone or your iPad and just shows the kind of black screen with the white Apple and the thing. Let me just take a picture so I can put it in the video here. Done. And it's almost done here. Okay. So again, you'll notice here in my iTunes, even though I have it plugged in, actually it's probably rebooting, so let's just see. I'm just hoping that this firmware upgrade actually makes it so that it's visible inside iTunes. So I'll quit out of iTunes now, and once my Apple TV has rebooted, you'll see that it's right now blinking still. Okay, so it's starting to reboot. It's asking me to pair my remote. Just click on the trackpad. Asking me some different languages. Oops, I just picked Spanish accidentally. I'm going to try to go back. Go up to English. Good. You know, they say that this trackpad is so innovative, but geez, it is not easy. It is not as easy as they advertise to navigate with it. Maybe it's because I got big hands, and you can see that this is like really quite small in my hands, but you know, actually trying to do some precise selections, like there I was selecting the password for my Wi-Fi password, and it's kind of really hard to scroll through that list. You do get better at it, but so here I'm entering my Apple ID, which is my email address, so it's kind of a, you know, a fairly long address, but getting kind of accurate to pick each letter is not really easy. Reminds me kind of like you know, when you do use a joypad or gamepad to oh crap, you make a mistake, and of course you have to go all the way back. When you use a gamepad to enter your name on consoles and stuff like that, it reminds me kind of that experience. It's like nobody likes that. And of course, right after that, I'm going to have to enter my password. But hopefully, Apple improves, you know, improves the UI and the interface, and finds some innovative ways to take advantage of the trackpad and enter things efficiently with software updates and stuff. We'll see. Use Siri, enable location services, and I think I am done. Agree to the terms and conditions. I'm back with a restored thing, so that is it.